Champ, your response.
Nobody believes this guy. You know, he don't have enough bass in his voice. You can't believe him. He's an uppity Negro. I mean, come on, man. I've been in this game for a very long time, and to think for someone like you to come and be someone like me, the closest you're gonna get to this belt is in your dreams. And I'm pretty sure you had a lot of wet dreams about that. That's about the closest you're gonna get to this, I promise you. You never faced a killer like me in the ring. You never looked into a killer eyes like me. But you'll feel it though. My actions speak louder than my words. Ask all my opponents that came before you and asked them what they felt. Even with my last opponent, he told you the myth, the legend is real, the power is real. You're gonna feel every bit of it. I promise you that.
Why has he angered you so much?
Because of the lies that he told. You know, the lies that he told. I'm a man. I can accept full responsibility of my actions.
Then accept it.
You know, it don't do me. I don't care about being wrong, you know what I mean? If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I can accept that. But don't come to my city talking about threatening my family to kill my family. Now you went for a fight. Now I have the power to do just that. Dominic Breazeale almost lost his life that night. He almost lost his life that night. He don't know how close he came. I had guys apologizing to me because they had stuff on them that they was gonna take him out. But I backed them off, trust me. But come Saturday night, I can do whatever I want to do. And you better gather around your loved ones, the ones that talking the mess, the big mouth, y'all better gather around him tonight. Because come Saturday night, he may not be able to talk to you. Trust me. And you know I don't play no games.
So we wrap it up with this. Dominic, give you final.
And it's gonna be good.
What you
it's gonna be good. Trust
Saturday
me.
night here at
Trust
Barclays
me.
Center.
I ain't the one that's talking. I'm about my action. Anybody that know me can tell I'm about my action, baby. People like you do all the talking, my dude. You do the talking and I do the action. I talk what I talk and I practice what I preach. My actions speak louder than my words, trust me. So sit on the sideline, you side chick.